Welcome back to the daily discussion. So today we're going to talk about the big five personality trait of conscientiousness. So people high in this trait, you tend to be more dependable, you tend to be more organized. So along those lines, being more dependable, you have a tendency then to take commitments to others very seriously. So you're all the reason that's why you're dependable, because you don't want to let other people down. You're organized, so you tend to have more self-discipline. You're more, you tend to have more clean areas, and you take cleanliness more serious, things like that. You follow the rules better. You kind of a little bit more by the book, which at times isn't a bad thing. So with that being said, where's the negative side of this? Well, when you become too structured, too rigid in terms of your discipline becomes too much. You could start becoming overbearing to other people by making it no longer self-discipline but group discipline. And you become too organized or too clean, and then it rubs off on other people. Or you try to follow the rules too closely, not be able to kind of bend them in any way that could be beneficial, or when you understand the rules, maybe were written at a time for something that wasn't kind of covered under this, right? So you can become very rigid, and which could lead to a lot more negative interactions with people, a lot of frustration and anger between you and the people you're dealing with. You also could lose your creativity. So because if you're trying to follow too much of a perfect line, you become less creative, which means you're not trying to find different avenues that may not be under the same guise of this special book or whatever it is. So those are kind of the negative sides of it. So again, you can have both good and bad in there, but when you find a good balance and mixture of it, then this trait becomes very positive and a good one to have high or be high in. So let me know what you think about that. If you have any questions or comments, please join the discussion.